Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing a full pre-market analysis for Nifty using our support and resistance lines, global market cues, and expected opening sentiment. These levels will help you plan your intraday trades with clarity. So let's jump right in. Key price levels overview. Based on our system, these are the resistance and support levels for tomorrow's market. Resistance levels. R1:26 250, R2:26 308, R3 26,366, R4:26 424, R5:26 482, R6 26,540 support levels. S1 26,134, S2 26,049, S3:25 964, S4:25 879, S5:25 799, S6:25 719. These levels will act as roadblocks and reversal zones for Nifty tomorrow. Global market cues. Before market open, global cues are critical. US markets, check if Dow, Nasdaq are flat or showing selling pressure. Asian markets, SGX Nifty, Nikkei, Hang Seng direction will guide early sentiment. Europe previous close, whether FTSE and DAX ended positive or negative. Crude or USD/INR, rising USD/INR and falling crude can affect India positively. Explain how these will influence Nifty. If global markets are mixed or slightly positive, expect a mild bullish bias. If negative globally, expect sideways to downside opening. Price position or market structure. Currently Nifty is hovering near 26,197. Which is just below R1, 26,250. This means, market is sitting very close to the first resistance. A gap up opening above R1 can open doors towards R2 R3. A failure to hold above 26,200 may bring price back to retest S1:26 134. Expected morning market behavior. Scenario 1, bullish start, gap up, strong opening. If Nifty opens above 26,220 to 26,250, watch for quick move toward R2:26 308. Momentum traders may push it to R3:26 366. If price sustains above R3, the path toward 26,424 can open. Scenario 2, flat opening. If Nifty opens around 26,180-26,210. Expect consolidation within R1 or S1. Breakout above R1 equals bullish. Breakdown below S1 equals bearish. Scenario 3, bearish start, gap down, weak opening. If Nifty opens below 26,150, price may slip to S2:26 049. Breaking as the 2nd of May drag it to at 25,964. Intraday plan. Bullish intraday plan. Buy on breakout above 26,250. R1, targets 26,308 26,366. SL, keep below R1 breakdown. Bearish intraday plan, short below 26,134. S1 breakdown, targets 26,049 25,964. SL, above S1 bounce. Neutral, range bound plan. Avoid trading in the first 5-10 minutes. Wait for clear breakout of R1 or breakdown of S1. Final outlook for tomorrow. Based on the levels and price structure, Nifty is likely to open with a flat to mild positive bias unless global markets change overnight. Above R1 bullish. Below S1 bearish. Between them sideways. The key zone to watch tomorrow morning is 26,200 to 26,250. A clean break from this zone will decide the first major trend of the day. If you found value, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your trading community. I'll see you tomorrow with live market and post-market updates.